Disclaimer. The following video is a work of fiction. The creator will not be held responsible for any misuse of the emergency alert system. This video contains valid and loud emergency alert system tones. Do not play these on radios and/or television stations. Enjoy the video. This message has been transmitted by the Lee County Sheriff's Department. A subject from the Lapin Gateway has escaped and disarmed. All residents be advised to stay in your homes immediately. Do not go outside. You will put your life in risk. Wait till the all clear is given by your local authorities. This message has been transmitted by the Lee County Sheriff's Department and the American Civil Defense System. The subject has not been found, but has been reported that it is breaking into people's homes and killing anyone inside. All residents within a 50-mile radius of Gateway should seek an underground shelter now. The lab has confirmed the subject known as Puro. He has black fur, white mask, and white eyes. If you see this subject, call 911 immediately. Otherwise you are risking certain death. Stay away from windows. Find the darkest room in your home, and turn off all lights. Keep a battery-powered radio with extra batteries with you, but keep the volume low as the subject could hear you.
This message has been transmitted by the American Civil Defense System and the Lee County Sheriff's Department. The subject known as Puro has been spotted but is extremely dangerous as he claims to have a nuclear bomb with him. All residents within a 100-mile radius of Gateway should prepare for a fallout shelter by having food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for 14 days. Again, all residents within a 100-mile radius of Gateway should prepare to go to a fallout shelter if the subject does have a nuclear bomb with him. Do not go outside as you will put your life at risk. Stay in your homes unless a nuclear threat is active. If that's the case, head to a fallout shelter near you. Be prepared.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The subject known as Puro has planted a nuclear bomb in the heart of Gateway and is urged to detonate it any time. All residents within a 100-mile radius of Gateway should seek a fallout shelter now. If no such shelter exists, move into an interior room and stay below the lowest floor and brace for impact. The lab is preparing a secret project they hope can stop this madness. This message has been transmitted by the American Civil Defense System. A nuclear blast has destroyed Gateway and Lehigh Acres. Fortunately, the lab finished their project and released it. The lab has named this project Lynn, and it is fighting Puro at this moment. At this time, all residents stay in your fallout shelter as there is radiation in the area, and it is very deadly. Do not go outside. You will be putting your life at risk. Wait till all clear is given. Let's hope this project works. Otherwise we are doomed. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The radioactive material has cleared out, and Project Lynn has made Puro very friendly. All residents may exit their shelter, but your home may be gone. Fortunately, the U.S. Coast Guard is arriving to bring everyone to a new home. Due to this disaster, there were 50,000 deaths from the blast. Let's be thankful for Lynn for saving everyone.